Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your YouTube shorts not showing in 2026. There are multiple different reasons why your shorts may not show, and we're going to be going thoroughly through it. The first thing you want to try to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to ensure a stable internet connection. If that is not the case, your application might have a pending update. Simply go ahead and head to the App Store or Play Store, search for YouTube and update it. Once you've done that, the other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and force close and restart your application. If that doesn't work, you might need to simply go ahead and look for the shorts icon and simply go ahead and tap on it. Also, go to the settings tab and check if there are any restricted mode turned on. You can just go to settings in general and make sure that restricted mode is turned off. If that is not the case, if you're on an Android device, simply tap and hold on your application and go to info. This is where you can simply go ahead and clear cache on your storage. Always make sure that your date and time is set to automatic, and that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.